This is day one of my trip to Mesa, Arizona for my second PBA tournament. Getting on the road nice and early, like around 3 or 4 in the morning. That way I can get out of town before all the traffic and congestion on the freeways start. I really prefer getting on the freeways for work or not for work really early in the morning. That way I just don't have to deal with everyone else in Los Angeles trying to get where they're going and them being all ticked off and whatnots. Most time I'm stuck in traffic, especially at rush hour on the way home, but at least going somewhere in the mornings, I don't have to deal with that. Stopped out in the Indio Palm Desert area, saw the moon setting over Ottawa with a pretty little sunrise starting. Had breakfast and lots of coffee at Denny's. Love my coffee. My time was leaving. More of a sunrise, really pretty view of the mountains. A couple hours east of Los Angeles here. Be heading to Mesa, which is just southeast of Phoenix. While I'm on the road, I do enjoy stopping at the rest stops, stretch my legs. And also another thing that's really nice that I really enjoy is the lack of buildings and concrete everywhere. It's nice being out somewhere where there's no skyscrapers, no tall buildings, no hustle and bustle. You just look out there and it's pretty. And you can't get much prettier than a beautiful American flag waving in the wind. I found that just absolutely beautiful, as always. So, had to video it. Looked mighty pretty. Back on the road, I-10 eastbound. Anytime I stopped for gas, food, or just stretch my legs some, I was receiving and sending texts to my best friend, who is making sure that I'm safe and sound while on my trips, whether it be from up north to Vegas, this trip, flying back south, traveling through different states in the Midwest and the South, and always checking to make sure I'm safe and sound while I'm traveling, or making sure I'm safe while I'm under a tornado warning, tornado watch, or in skies that I can see the tornadoes out there. I really appreciate my best friend always making sure that I'm safe and sound, and I feel very blessed to have that. So, I-10 eastbound, sped up a little bit. I was not speeding, so this is a time lapse. I find it very cool to see the time lapse. Also with that bump there, kind of funny how it looks on the time lapse. Just think it looks really neat. Made it to the Courtyard by Marriott. Didn't get a super huge room, didn't need one. It was just nice and cozy. I was able to bring all my stuff in, from my traveling bag to my bowling bags. I even brought my bowling ball sander so I could sand my bowling balls if need be. Nice cozy little room. Really nice amenities there. Then getting ready for bowling practice the day before the tournament, which would be this day. Practiced about an hour and a half and got there nice and early, able to talk with some of the fellow PBA bowlers there and some of the PBA bowlers that bowl on television, which was really cool. Really enjoyed that. I was hopping from lane to lane. Wasn't doing the best, but I was gaining confidence as the evening went on. So after about the first 10 minutes, I was starting to get the knack of the pattern a little bit. Extremely tough pattern. This is the cheetah pattern. It is rated as extremely difficult. Going from lane to lane, trying different angles, trying different bowling balls, seeing if different lanes were just reacting differently. But also, I was trying spare shots a lot. If you do enjoy these videos, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to see more videos like this in the future. So just trying to be as versatile as possible on all these lanes. And I was getting the knack of it at the Bolero here in Mesa. By the time I was getting out, starting to be a nice pretty sunset. Had to get a picture of that. Instead of going out to eat, just went to the little restaurant, coffee shop at the Courtyard by Marriott in Mesa. It's a cute little eating area, so instead of taking stuff back to the room, I just ate out here. It was nice to people watch and just chillax some. By the fireplace, there are TVs and little nooks. There were comfy seats down there, but I decided to just stay up there and eat my burger and fries. Very nice hearty meal. I was pretty darn hungry at this point. with all the traveling and bowling, so I was very happy to eat this delicious meal there. And it wasn't super expensive, so I was very happy. There will be one or more videos posted on tournament day, which is the following day. There will be stuff about before the tournament, about the tournament, and after the tournament. If y'all want to see those videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the little notification bell. That does let y'all know when videos are being posted, and y'all will be notified. Most of the videos lately have not been getting the views, especially compared to the amount of subscribers that are subscribed to this channel. So if you hit the notification bell, it will let y'all know when the videos are being posted. That way, if y'all are looking forward to learning more about welding, the blueprints, welding math, tips and tricks about welding, different little history things, the PBA tournaments, and my experience of getting into the PBA and learning about that and traveling as a professional bowler, it will let y'all know when those videos are being posted, along with other posts that are other than video. So, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Go ahead and give it a like so I know y'all do enjoy it. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so y'all will be notified. I look forward to seeing y'all in the next videos, and go ahead and comment. I'm curious to see what y'all are thinking about this. See y'all in the next video.